Ow! Burnt my head on the engine. This is my phone on the quad lock. I've got the Apeman A77 camera here. Now I'm doing these two cameras because I've got no microphone wired up, and the Apeman A77 has no, it's got one of those enclosed waterproof cases, so it won't hear me. I've just finished a valve service and a chain tighten on the CB125F. And it occurred to me that I haven't even put this A77 on here yet to check it for stability. So I thought I'd just do a few laps around the yard just to hear how the motor's travelling. I didn't really want to do a video on the service because I've got I think 80 odd service videos already. So it's just a, same old content over and over. Didn't want to do it. Pardon me. Still got blood clots in the lungs, still out of breath, still making me cough. My hair's a lovely shade of purple again. That's all that's new. We'll see how this camera goes. Just doing some yard laps. Now, this engine is definitely burning oil. You can smell it. I'm definitely, I think, getting some blow by the piston rings, which I suspected might happen. The valves were a little bit out of spec, but not much. The intake was a bit loose and the exhaust was a bit tight, but nothing that would have caused damage. But I've put them all both back into spec. What I'll do, can you see? There we go. So the thing is, black smoke, it's not as much of a concern as blue smoke. And I don't get white smoke because the bike doesn't have a radiator, so there's no water. Unless there's water in the fuel, which might be likely. But wide open throttle, the smoke clears up and it starts burning clean. But those puffs of black smoke is just, that's the bike running rich, and I don't mind that. There's one little job that I want to do while I'm riding. These rattle and it always makes me think there's something wrong, which, you know, there isn't, but at 100 k's an hour you hear a rattle from the front and you freak out. What it is, I'll try and get in here. There it is. It's this bar that runs across the top. I've actually lost the bung. Ow, that's really quite hot. I've lost the bung in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a pool noodle, chop it up, jam it in there, and try and stop this from rattling, because I can't be bothered. The parts cost like 20 cents each, but I can't be bothered pulling it all apart, so I'm just going to do a dodgy fix for now, and I'll worry about it next time I need to take the tank off. So basically, no one will ever know. Now I'm just going to try and jam these two. No effing idea what I'm doing, to be honest. But isn't that... Ow! Burnt my fucking head on the engine. Maybe if I shove that in there first. Yeah, that's better. It's not perfect. Let's see about the other side. It's not perfect, is it? But it'll have to do. I think that's a fair sight better than what it was.